Hello everyone, this is Johnson. So yeah, I just want to give a quick breakdown on the trade I analyzed in my previous video, my last video, right? So yeah, uh, I made an analysis or a forecast concerning this previous price action. Firstly, let me delete this, right? So yeah, we could see that the market has been trending to the downside from this area, giving us series of lower highs and lower lows, right? Lower highs and lower lows, right? Now, what now happened? When the market got to this area, we could see that we started seeing something like what? A bullish kind of signal. Why? Because the market already tapped into an higher time frame POI. The first POI we can see here is firstly the fair value gap around this area and also the breaker around this area, right? Now, what did the market do after I tapped into this area? Market started buying. Though I thought um it still has it still has room for sales, right? It still has room for sales. So at my last video, I opted for selling around this area because it met it is actually a good entry but of low probability because I actually learned something from this trade. Right now, the market took me out for a loss. You can see it struck it out, but I said something in that video that there are something that might happen because I made a forecast and it actually turned out. So this is an area of what, to me, this is an area of invalidation. This is where sales will be invalidated. This is where I would say that okay, this market wants to start buying. Now it has broken this high, it has broken this high impulsively, though it tapped into this unmitigated area. Right now, what are we looking forward to? If we are going to be buying, we'll be looking forward to buying from a discounted area. Now, if we check our um our Fibonacci tool, now this is an area where we can buy from a discount area. Any of this area, we can buy from this area. So you just be looking for your what, um your area of entry. Some people might take it from the other block or the fair value gap. Right now, that's just that. And how can we enter this trade? How can we enter this trade? Now we'll be looking forward to either taking a risk entry or a reduced risk entry. I've actually said that the area where you should be looking for your buys is from this area, to this area, right? Now, so what can we see around this area? What can we see around this area? Can we see around this area? This is a fair value gap around this area. A 3 hours fair value gap already tapped into the 50% of it, right? You can be looking forward to can look forward to buy around this area, or you can wait for the you can use the other block. I think there is another block around 45 minute or 30 minute time frame. I'm not sure. Right. So I don't really know what's wrong with the network. Okay, yeah. So yeah, so there is another block around this 45 minutes. But where will I be looking to take my entry? Though I want my entry to be around, because I'm using a profile, I want my entry to be around this area, this area, using the 50% of it, and also covering the fair value gap. But where am I targeting? I'm targeting this place as my first for a 2%, 2RR, right? So though the trade is already on, but I already placed it. So where is the The second target should be around this eye, around this eye, and the last target should be around this area, right? So that's just that for this trade. That's just that for this trade. So please, if you enjoyed this video, please do well to subscribe, like, and tell me what you think about this video. Turn on the bell button so that you'll see updates like this. Thank you guys.